In this video, we will show how to use a roughing isolation valve scheme to evacuate a chamber with a Welch ProBoost Diffusion Pump. A roughing valve is used to evacuate a chamber from atmospheric pressure into the rough vacuum range below 0.2 torr. Roughing is done before putting the diffusion pump online to the vacuum chamber. Be sure to read and follow the operation instructions provided in the ProBoost manual. Our vacuum system consists of a CRV Pro rotary vane backing pump, also referred to as a mechanical pump, a ProBoost diffusion pump, 3 isolation valves numbered 1, 2, and 3, stainless steel flexible hose and fittings, and a vacuum chamber. The numbered valves are as follows. Number 1 is the roughing valve, number 2 is the 4-line valve, and number 3 is the high vacuum valve. Valves 2 and 3 serve to isolate the diffusion pump. To begin the evacuation process, step 1, open valve number 1 so that the chamber can be evacuated by the mechanical pump down to rough vacuum below 0.2 torr. Step 2. Once the chamber is evacuated below 0.2 torr, close valve 1. Step 3. Open valve number 2. The diffusion pump is now being evacuated or backed by the mechanical pump. Now that the pressure is below 0.2 torr, switch on the diffusion pump. Step 4. Open valve number 3. The diffusion pump is now online, pumping the vacuum chamber to high vacuum. To vent and access your chamber with the vacuum system running, you must isolate both the diffusion and mechanical pump. Close valves 3, 2, and 1. You can now vent and access your vacuum chamber with all 3 valves closed. To put the vacuum system back online after venting the chamber, open valve number 1. This re-evacuates the chamber. After reaching below 0.2 torr, close valve 1. Open valve 2. The mechanical pump is now backing the diffusion pump. Open valve number 3. The diffusion pump is back online, pumping the chamber to high vacuum. When your run is complete, before you vent the chamber, be sure to close valves 3, 2, and 1. This to isolate the diffusion pump and mechanical pump from the chamber. Once isolated, you can vent the chamber. Then, to completely shut down the vacuum system, close valves 3, 2, 1, turn off the diffusion pump, allow the diffusion pump to cool for 20 minutes, then turn off the mechanical pump. The vacuum system can now be safely opened to atmosphere.